Hi, my name is Natalie Lande, and I teach saxophone at Terra. Today, I want to teach you a quick tip on hand position while you're playing the saxophone. So sometimes we like to keep our fingers straight when we play the saxophone. That's fine for the note to come out, it still comes out in the same way. However, when you have to start playing eighth notes or something a little bit faster, it's going to pose a challenge for you because your fingers don't really have a lot of control or room to move fast when you move them like this. So what you want to do is you want to curl your fingers, keep them relaxed, and have the fleshy part of your finger, this part of your finger right here, you want that to be right on these pearls. So curled and relaxed is the key to playing fast. Thank you, and have a great day.